So lately I've been seeing all these really cool dice designs that have like frames inside of the resin. And I thought, I bet you I could do something way cooler. And so I tried that. In this video, I'm going to take a frame like this and put it inside a die. Let's see what it turns out like. So the first step is to make a 3D model of the frame I want to make. I used my displacement trick that I went over in Blender in one of my other videos, and then I booleaned out the middle to make it hollow. I think in retrospect I should probably do a thicker design. These are pretty delicate features here. But I just simply supported it just like I would any other die. And here we go. It printed out pretty good. There's some messed up little parts because it's just so delicate. It was really hard to remove from the supports. But I'm going to paint it gold and it will end up looking like this. So this is the completed 3D printed frame. And now I'm going to put this in some resin and see what it turns out like. So the next part was to mix up a little bit of resin, and I'm just going to add a teeny weeny little bit of mica powder. I want this to be relatively see-through. I don't want to make it opaque. Just a little bit in my resin, and then I'm going to stick the frame into the mold. And so I printed these frames. They're a 15 millimeter cube, and most standard dice molds are going to be 16 millimeter for a D6. I'm going to pour in a little bit of the resin very carefully so as to not get bubbles. This is actually a 3D printing UV resin. I just used the UV cure to cure it, so it happens really quickly. The dice can get hot, so be careful about that. But here we go. I'm going to paint up the numbers. And this is one of the most satisfying parts of the whole process. Painting the numbers, wiping that paint off. And there we have it. I think this thing turned out pretty darn awesome. And here is the completed die. And this thing turned out pretty sweet. I think next time I'm not going to do quite as intricate of details. Maybe make them a little bit bigger. But this is certainly a good first attempt. All right. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment below about your favorite color or anything. And I hope you dudes and dudettes have a good day. And hopefully we'll see you here next time for some more Dungeons and Dragons crafts. See ya.